Hello students, welcome to Science Sanskar online classroom. Welcome to this session of our free online course of mathematics for class 6th. In this particular session, we are going to learn more about numbers or know more about numbers. So let's begin it. But before it, let's take an overview of our session. In this particular session, we have to first we discuss about making numbers from individual digits. You all can see behind me on the screen that the first topic of our today's session is making numbers from individual digits. Second is ordering the numbers, and next is increase number of digit by 1. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Let's begin today's session. Okay, the first is making numbers from individual digits. You all know. Now in our previous session, what we have learned, we are learned about numbers, how to compare them, and how to say which one is greatest and which one is smallest. In this session, what we have to first we try to make numbers from individual groups or individual digits. How can we do? You can see on your screen that when we have a few single digits, a variety of numbers can be formed by arranging the digit in different orders. You all get it from this example that to make a new number from existing shift place of digits. You can see we have a one number or 1357. What we are doing here can be made as 5731. It can be made, we just replace a digit. Next is 7351. Next one is 5317. Next one is 1735. Now, from where we getting these all numbers? We do a simple thing. We just shift some numbers. You can see that first is 1357. Then we shift the 31 on the left. We get 5731. Next, we shift 5 on the second last, then we get one more number. So we get many numbers from this. So I think you understand that how can we make a new number from digits. We have to shift these digits. We just have to shift the numbers. I think you all get the point. Now if we are shifting a digit, there is two conditions. First one is we want to make a larger number from it, or we want to make a smaller number from it as to compare to present digit. So you can, what we have to do, there are some steps for it. You can follow them. The first one is for the first case is to make largest number from a given number of digit. What we want to make a larger number or a larger digit. So what we have to do, keep the largest digit at the highest place. As you can see from the example, in the first we have seen that we want the digit is 1357. We want to make a largest number from it. So what we do, we place a highest digit among these on the first place. So which one is highest? The highest is 7. So the first digit is 7. Then we follow the second step. Second step is keep the second largest digit at the second highest place, and so on. We have to follow the same step. Now you can see we get the first largest digit, it is 7. Then the next is, you all can see that the next one among these is 5. So next digit is 5. We get 7 and 5. Now the next digit is 3. So 753, and the last one is 1. So 7531. This is our new digit. I think you all got the point. Now the second is we want to make a smallest number. So how can we make a smallest number? The thing is simple. To make a smallest number from a given number of digit, we have to follow the same steps, but in the reverse direction. In the first we are placing the largest digit. Now we have to placing the smallest digit first. So what we have to we want to make a smaller digit from 1357. You already see it is a smallest digit. For what we have to do, we have to keep the smallest digit at the highest place. So which one is the smallest from all? The one is the smallest, so 1 we place first. Then the next is 3. Then next is 5, and the next is 7. So what is happened there? We getting a smallest digit or a smallest number from this digit. It is 1357. When we want a largest number, what we do, we first put the highest digit and we follow the same steps. And when we want a smallest digit, we do the same steps, but first we put the smallest digit. I think you all get the point. Now you all are able to make numbers from digits. Let's move on the next concept. The next concept is same. We understand it with examples. So what is a use given digit without repetition and make smallest and greatest 4-digit number. What we have to do? There are some given digits. We have to make numbers. First we have to make the largest and then we have to make the smallest number and of a 4-digit number. So before starting it, we have to remember 2 points. The first one is, since a 4-digit number is to be made, what we have to do? We have to make a 4-digit number. So 0 cannot be put at the highest place. We cannot put the 0 at the highest place, as it will make the number as a 3-digit number, because we all know that whenever a 0 is put in front of any digit, the number of digit will never be changed, it will be same. Then if we we want to make a 4-digit number and we place 0 at the first place, so or at the highest place, then what will be happen? The number become a 3-digit number. So we want to make a 4-digit number, and after placing 0 at the highest place, it become a 3-digit number. So what we do? We don't put 0 at the highest place. Now on the second point, so if there is a 0 in 4-digit, what you have to do? If there is a 0 in a 4-digit, you want to make a 4-digit number and the given digits contain 0. So what you have to do? You have to do the simple thing. If 0 in 4-digit, put the third largest number at the highest place. If 0 is at the 0 in the 4-digit number, what we do? We put the third largest number at the highest place, because there are 4-digit number. You suppose it will be as a 3, 2, 1 and 0, or you can say that it will be 1, 2, 3 and 0. So what we have to do? We put the third largest digit on the top or at the highest to make a larger number. I think you all get the point. If not, we understand it from the example below. So you all can see the values on the table which is shaded by the pink color. There are two values. One will be 2874 and other is 9741. What we have to do? First we get which one is the largest digit. On the first one is it is 8. The second largest digit is 7. The third largest digit is 4 and the fourth largest digit is 2. So first we have to make the smallest digit. So what we have to? First we put the smallest digit at highest place, and then we follow the same step as we discussed about it in our previous slide or in the previous step. So you here, what the smallest number? It is 2478, and when we want to make a largest number, what we do? We follow the same step, but now we put the largest digit at the highest place. So the largest number is just a reverse of it. It is 8742. I think you all get the point. You can also see the second example. Now you all have to tell what is it. You can see that there are 4-digit number 9, 7, 4 and 1. What we have to do? The same thing. We want to make a smallest number and a greatest number. So what you have to do? First we want to make a smallest number. Before it, well, you can tell me the largest digit among these. Can you tell me, Ali? Yes? Yes, it is right. You are right. It is 9. 9 is the largest digit. Now second largest digit. Who can tell me? Aksha, can you tell me? Second largest digit. Yes, it is 7. Very good. The second largest digit is 7. Now, who tell me the third largest digit? Who one among you? Who can tell me this? Yes, raise your hands. Okay, let's I give chance to Yogesh. Yes, Yogesh, tell me. Which one is the third largest digit? It is 4. Yes, you are right. The next is the fourth largest digit. We all know. So I don't have to ask anyone. It is 1. I think you all get the point. Now we have to make the smallest digit. It is, we first put the 1, then 4, then 7 and then 9. This is the smallest. And when we want to make a largest number, what we have to do? We just put these numbers in a reverse order. I think you all get the point. Okay, let's move on the next part of it. The next part is ordering the numbers. It is so simple. We already do a lot of this thing before. The ordering the number. How we order the number? Or there are two cases. First, we want to order the number in increasing order, or second, we want to order the numbers into the decreasing order. These are called ascending and descending. So random numbers can be arranged into orders. We can there is no condition that these numbers are only arranged, these are not. We can randomly arrange any number. So if we want to arrange them in ascending order, what we have to do? Here numbers are arranged in the smallest to largest. From you can see that from smallest to largest in the ascending, and from the largest to smallest in the descending order. You all know about it. So let better understand it with an example. It is arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. What we want to do? We want to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. So you all can see on the screen behind me that there are 4 digits in the first. We want to arrange them in ascending order. So what we want to do? From smallest to largest. So first we are arranging them in from the smallest. Which number is smallest among these? 571, then 847, then 8320, and the last is 9754. Similarly, in the second, we just reverse the order from the largest to smallest. I think you all got the point. I don't have to explain the another example. Okay, you all know about the ascending and descending. Let's move on the next topic. The next topic is increase in number of digits by 1. This is so simple and so easy topic. What we have to, when 1 is added to the highest number, when 1 is added to highest number of n digit, where n will be any, if you can say ones, tens, 100, 1000, anyone, the result will be the lowest number of n plus 1 digit. How? You can all see a example behind me on the screen, that number of digit. Here in the one number, the highest one number digit is 9. We all know about that. When we add 1 to it, we get 10, which is lowest 2-digit number. Similarly, which is the highest 2-digit number? It is 99. We add 1 it and we get 100, which is a lowest or smallest 3-digit number. I think you all get the point. When we are choosing 999, which is the largest or highest 3-digit number, when we add 1 to it, we get 1000, which is a lowest or smallest 4-digit number. I think you all get the point. Now there is a terminology behind the numbers. We can write 10 as 10 into 1. We can write 100 as 10 into 10. We can write 1000 as 10 into 100, and we can write 10,000 as 10 into 1000. I think you all get the point. Let's move on the next part of our slide. It will be the last and the favorite part. You can all see some questions behind me on the screen. What you have to do, you can take a screenshot of it, or any other thing. You can pause the video. First, you have to solve these questions. You all can see there is the first one of to making a 4-digit number, second is ascending and descending, and last one is which one is what we get when 1 is added to greatest 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 and 4 digit. There are some questions. What you have to do, you have to solve them. After it, you just have to solve them as you all send. You all know the process, how you can all send this to us by you, as you already sent us on our first part. What you have to do, if you are on online school portal, you have to do, there is a option below the video is upload assignment. There is a option of choose the file. You click on it, and after it you can upload the pic, and the pic or your homework will be sent to corresponding teacher. Or if you are not on the school online portal, you can send this work to us through WhatsApp or any other platform. I think you all get the point. This is enough for today. Okay, God bless you all.